Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly delete a website over at Weebly. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you guys who don't know, Weebly is actually the built-in site editor or site builder for Square, for those of you who are familiar with that platform. And as you can see here, here's what the interface looks like for the site builder. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty intuitive. You can drag stuff around, add new elements, containers, segments to your website, and yeah, that's awesome. Now to actually delete a website over at your Weebly account is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Weebly account as an administrator, like I have here. So here's where you don't actually want to be. Where you want to be in is the dashboard, which looks like this. Now the reason for this video is because the way to delete a website is not actually super obvious from the get-go. It's a bit obscure, but it's actually more simple than you guys think. And what you need to do is you want to navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see that this will actually display all of your registered sites for your Weebly account. And to delete it is quite simple. Simply click on the ellipses or the three dots next to the site that you want to delete. So let's say that I made some changes to this website right here that I didn't like, and I'd like to start over. So I'd click on this three dots, and you'll see right away that there's an option to delete the site. So simply delete it, confirm, and you guys should be done. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.